3, 2, 1.
What is the pen name of the Russian-born American novelist known for her best-selling novels The Fountainhead and Atlas Shrugged? The answer is B. Ayn Rand. Which of these were conceived by Leonardo da Vinci?
The answer is B. All of these.
Herbivores and omnivores have longer alimentary canals compared to what? The answer is C. Carnivores. Which time zone encompasses the least number of the continuous 48 United States? The answer is C. Pacific. Which capital city is located on the banks of the Nile River? The answer is B. Cairo. What has leaves that clean your teeth? The answer is C. Broccoli. What is a common name for a large pencil case? The answer is A. Lunchbox. What is the basic unit of a compound? The answer is B. Molecule. What type of insect is often referred to as a white ant, although it is not related to the ant species? The answer is D. Termite. Which famous person was both born and died in years when Halley's Comet was visible? The answer is D. Samuel Clemens. I'm small, rectangular, and plug into a wall. What am I? The answer is D. Power adapter. I'm always hanging around the kitchen, yet I don't cook. What am I? The answer is A. Potholder. What is the smallest frog? The answer is B. Brazilian gold frog. Which tools are needed to measure the effects of friction on a block of wood? The answer is A. Meter stick, spring scale. Which kitchen item is used to peel vegetables? The answer is D. Peeler. How many commandments are there in the central document of Judaism, Torah? The answer is C. 613. Who owned the Yankees when Yankee Stadium was built? The answer is D. Jacob Ruppert and Tullinghast El Hamadiou. What is the fastest train in the world named after? The answer is C. Thunderbird. Who played the role of Thelma Lou on 1960's CBS series, The Andy Griffith Show? The answer is D. Betty Lynn. Water and carbon dioxide molecules are reactants in what plant process? The answer is A. Photosynthesis. What occurs when two wave crests overlap? The answer is A. Constructive interference. What is a pure substance called? The answer is D. An element. I'm often round and baked, yet not always edible. What am I? The answer is A. A cookie. Who recorded Itsy Bitsy Teeny Weeny Yellow Polka Dot Bikini in 1960? The answer is B. Brian Heil. And what goes up and down but never moves? The answer is C. A pendulum. K2 is located in which mountain range? The answer is D. Karakoram. Which of the following characters from the Harry Potter series never served as headmaster or headmistress of Hogwarts School? The answer is C. Cornelius Fudge. Which of these animals swims the fastest? The answer is C. Dolphin. What was the name of James Brown's first singing group? The answer is B. The Gospel Starlighters. Who developed the theory of operant conditioning? The answer is A. Skinner A. There are many users of the seabed, including fishermen, the military, commercial shippers, and mineral dredgers. What is the most common problem for pipeline designers when selecting a route? The answer is B. Crossing existing pipelines. Who was the separatist leader in Star Wars Episodes 1 to 3? The answer is C. Newt Gunray. I'm a transparent, odorless gas. What am I? The answer is B. Nitrogen. Which fish is used to make sushi rolls? The answer is A. Salmon. I'm often torn apart and put back together. What am I? The answer is A. Puzzle. What is the property of a wave that describes its shape? The answer is C. Amplitude. When Na2HBO24- the weak acid comes into contact with a strong base, such as sodium hydroxide Na, the weak acid reverts back to the weak base and produces what?
The answer is C. Water.
Which drug is used as a local anesthetic? The answer is C. Novocaine. Which author wrote Pellucidar Heptalogy? The answer is C. Edgar Rice Burroughs. Which of the following works was not written by John Steinbeck? The answer is D. The Abbot. How many pathways do plants have for carbon fixation? The answer is A. 3. A student sets a block at the top of a wooden ramp. The student pushes the block. As the block slides down the ramp, it slows down and then comes to a stop. What force causes the block to slow down? The answer is B. The force of friction. Which two football players played high school football together at Mount Carmel High School? The answer is C. Donovan McNabb and Simon Rice. What people are considered the ancestors of the modern Bulgarian ethnos?
The answer is B. All of these.
Which instrument is a type of wind instrument made from wood and used in jazz music? The answer is B. Trumpet. What was the name of the book that contained the short story The Little Sisters of Eluria, a prequel to The Gunslinger? The answer is D. Everything's Eventual. What name did Christopher Columbus give to Cuba when he landed there on April 30, 1494? The answer is A. Juana. What does the slope of a position time graph represent? The answer is B. Velocity. How many pitchers threw perfect games in the 20th century? The answer is B. 14. I turn summers bright and cozy winters white. What am I?